So in this video, I will explain to you what you are doing wrong and why you aren't profitable yet. Before we get into the video, I wanted to quickly introduce my partner, My Flash Running. It's my go-to prop firm since their prices are really cheap, and the main reason why I think it's better than the other prop firms is that they have a 6% profit target, which is insanely low. That's literally like 1 to 3 risk reward trades, and you already passed phase 1. So if you decide to go with My Flash Running, use this code to get 20% off and also support me. But now let's get into the video. So today I'm gonna talk about the two types of traders. There are two types. There's first the one that has to trade after rules to be profitable, which is really hard to get a strategy that works with really strict rules, since if there's rules there will probably be the algo taking you out, since a lot of people are trading those rules. That's why indicators doesn't work. That's why chart patterns doesn't work, because they're nearly the same every time. There's no individuality in each of them. So you need to be individual to make money in the market. So as I said, there are two traders. There are the ones that have strict rules, and they're the ones that just trade after intuition, which I think is easier to learn, or not easier to learn, but easier to execute, even though it's mainly intuition, but it's intuition built from market experience that you will get by just doing stuff. I'm repeating myself nearly every video, but I just want to get it into your mind that it's so important to get market experience. You won't be profitable if you're not trading with market experience. Let's just say there's two different types of things you have to learn. There's the one that you have just like in school where you have to read stuff and then execute or type like write down everything that you know. And there's the one that you have to, for example, play football and just play and get a feeling for it. And trading combines these both types. So both types of learning has to be combined in trading. This is why it's so important and so hard in trading to become profitable. You have to be able to have the theory and the intuition or the muscle memory, even though it's not muscle memory, but if you want to see it in sports, it's muscle memory. So what you can do is you backtest one strategy as often as you can. You're not trading something that includes something that everyone can do, such as indicators, such as chart patterns, but everything that has individuality, for example, fair value gaps. Obviously, this is a rule, but a fair value gap that is valid or not. Let's say here, there's a fair value gap too, and you can say if that's valid or not. Or there's a lot of fair value gaps, you know. Or support resistance. There's resistance level that are valid, and there are resistance level that aren't valid. This is intuition, and that's why it can still work. It can work in the moment it doesn't have such strict rules. Obviously, you can use indicators and combine that with something else. You should not just rely on one thing there. That is my point. So you just have to find out if you're the one that has to build up intuition for the market, or you actually find a strategy for yourself that no one else trades, that you can repeat and repeat in the market and it works every time. This is the perfect thing because this won't get into your emotions that hard, since you have your rules and it works out. If you actually find something like this is so much easier than the one with the intuition, but it's easier to get to the point where you trade purely out of intuition and get money with that. So just go into markets. The first 3 months, 4 months, you won't have profits. Even if you have like small profits or like a win streak, this is probably just luck. You won't be profitable in this time. It takes years to get profitable this way. Even if you find your edge and you have your trading strategy with rules, with strict rules, you won't be profitable if you're not building up a lot of market experience. I still don't call myself profitable, even though I passed funded accounts, since passing funded accounts are just win streaks. You could be losing a lot, but you have this one win streak and pass your funded. You're not profitable. You're just having a win streak, which means you're on a good way, but you're not profitable yet. So I just tell you what I will do to get profitable. I'm 1 year in now, and I think I have my kind of edge. I could pass a funded once again. I will pass a funded again. I'm confident in it, and I have my psychology somehow now. It's not like perfect, but I have my psychology and I will just do the same thing again. I will backtest every day. I will take trades live to learn patience. I will look at the market. I will trade different pairs, and this is how I get profitable. And I think you should do the same. So find yourself a strategy that trades after rules, or get intuition for the market with 3 building blocks and trade purely off of that. This was already the video for today. There isn't much else to talk about. Just don't buy courses and shit, but you should know that you're not that stupid, you know? Courses are just... Obviously, there are some courses that work out. If there's a course where he personally goes to you and explains stuff to you, that's valid since he can teach you everything he knows. But if it's just a course with videos or something, that's not good. It's the only thing what it's good for, maybe that's why I'm also doing it, is to have everything on one point, and this is better for your emotions since you know, okay, I can rely on that. So maybe at some point I will write down everything I know and post it online for like not a lot of money, you know. But I will get profitable over long term first, over I don't know, a year with consistent profits, and then I will do something like that, okay? I'm like 7 months profitable now. Obviously I have like losing weeks, but at the end of the month I'm normally profitable every time. And I hope the video helped you, and see you next time. Oh, before I end the video, I have a giveaway going on right now. 2 10k funded accounts from my Flash funding. Link is in the description on my Discord. You just have to follow my socials and join the Discord, and you're already in the giveaway. And since we are such a small community yet, it's really likely that you will win. So just check that out and see you next time. Bye bye.